Hi, this is Drew with Classic Auto Insurance here at the Indianapolis World of Wheels 2020. And I'm here with this good-looking gentleman, Randy, and this phenomenal 70 Mustang Mach 1 Cobra Jet. So tell me a little bit about how you came to this car. It's a little bit of a family story, but you did the work yourself.
It's a family affair, yes. Ron from Ron's Classic Cars, I had the vehicle, and he sold it to my brother, and my brother sold it to me because he didn't have time to restore it.
Right.
So my brother and I basically restored it, and it took about 6 years. I was working full time, and we had a ball doing it.
Yeah.
So.
And then you said there was a guy that, kind of helped you and your brother really kind of get into the restoration side of things.
Yes, a very dear friend of my father's, kind of my second father, a man named Frank Martin, was a local Ford mechanic here, and he had just a passion for kids and cars and Boy Scouts and things, and he kind of shepherded me through working on my Mustang and got us interested, and all his special tools are in our shop today. When he died, he gave us all the tools, and we have all the special tools from way back in the day to work on these old cars from Frank. So
that's an awesome story.
every time we use one, we go, "Thanks, Frank."
Yeah. I mean, you just don't hear that today, right? Happening kind of in this world. So, but, I couldn't even imagine. Tell me a little bit about the rarity of this car.
This car is a 70 Mach 1. It's 428 Cobra Jet, and it's rare because it doesn't have the ram air induction system. It's got the fake scoop and the air cleaner on. They only built 320 of them, so that makes the car kind of unique in that respect. But other than that, it's a Mach 1 and it's fun.
Yeah, no, I mean, everybody thinks the 428, the Cobra Jet, but it's the real rare options or things that aren't on the car.
Options, yeah,
that make it, what it is. So tell me a little bit about what Ron and Vail's did for you on this car.
My brother and I don't paint cars. We don't have a paint booth, and Ron does, and we have a relationship with him. He did a little bit of tin work on the car and painted it, and then I did the rest of the car myself because I wanted to do it. I wanted to work on it. So I come out and show it in front of his booth because what you see here is a lot of what he did is the paint, and it's beautiful.
Yeah. Well, hey, really appreciate your time, appreciate your passion for all things Mustang, and just being part of the community, and appreciate your time.
Thanks for coming to the show.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Classic Auto. Agreed value, mileage rollover, and tiered mileage plans. Classic Auto. Insuring your vehicle. Insuring your passion. Call or click Classic Auto today.